Flood warning in effect from this evening to late tomorrow evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? South Branch Raritan River at Stanton. When? From this evening to late tomorrow evening. Impacts, at 5.0 feet, minor lowland flooding downstream of gauge. At 8.0 feet, at 10.0 feet, houses downstream begin to take on water. Additional details, at 4:15 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 3.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.8 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.8 feet on December 28, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/flood. The following